Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Rainbow 6 mobile game crashing or not working, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on Android phone. So if you are also into the same situation, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method what you need to do is to restart your device once. This is an important step, so don't skip it. You just have to press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So restart process may differ from phone to phone. Just restart your phone once and then try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, you are suggested to force stop the game once. So for that, click and hold the game icon. Now click on app info and click on force stop and then click on OK. After doing this, try to open or launch the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache. After you have done this, now go back and log into the game or launch the game and check if this works. If not, you are suggested to check your internet connection is stable or not. If your internet connection is not stable, you are suggested to change your network. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, then once restart your router and move to the mobile data, or if you are using mobile data, then move to Wi-Fi and then check if the network or internet connection is resolved and the game is opening or not. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Rainbow 6 mobile game, and after that here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Now if the issue continues, you can also install a VPN app and then try to play the game and see if this helps. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Select any one of them, install it, log into it, and now change the location and then try to check if the game is opening or not. At the same time, you should also check if your device needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings and you can go below, click on system update, and here you will find if any update is required. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to play the game and see if this helps. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, then the final solution is to reinstall the game once. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So after uninstalling the game, again reinstall it. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and after that click on the install option, and after you install it, now try to open the game and check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.